Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll quickly show you how to use ElevenLabs sound effects generator. First, open the website and create an account. After signing up, choose Creative Platform and go to Sound Effects. Next, write a short description of the sound you want, like light rain with distant thunder. Then choose the duration. It's best to start with about 5 seconds to test the sound. You can also adjust prompt influence, so the AI follows your description more closely. After generating, listen to the samples and pick the one you like. If it sounds good, you can increase the duration and generate it again. Finally, download the sound and save it to your device. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials.